Hello everybody out there in YouTube land. Today I am going to remove and show you how to take off the windshield wiper blade on a 2016 Chevy Sonic with a 1.4 liter turbo. So what you have to do is you take your hand and you get it behind it here and you make sure you get a good grip and you pull to the left till it clicks. And then you pull it down and pull the arm up a little bit, and then you push down and it comes off. So then you get your new windshield wiper blade. This is a Trico 12-inch blade. I'll leave a link in the description below. And what you do is you pull up the windshield wiper blade, then you line up the little thing there with the slit, and then you push it up, and then you push to the right till you hear it click. Tip is, make sure you grab it in the middle here and not on the end, otherwise you might break the arm, or if you go too far this way. So pretty simple, and then that's all you got to do to replace it and remove the windshield wiper blade on a 2016 Chevy Sonic. In the comments below, let me know if you guys have any questions. Hit that like button and subscribe. It helps us out here on the homestead. I'll see you guys later.